Hi guys, welcome to another episode of my YouTube video. In today's video, we are going to be looking at question under stiochiometry. So we have a question here. Question goes like this: what mass of SO2 contain the same number of molecules as 0.8 gram of CH4? It's able to find the mass of SO2 contain the same number of molecules. This statement states number of molecule that is an Avogadro's law. So now let's first copy what we are given. So we are given mole. Instead we should find the mole. Let's say that we have mole of SO2, mole of SO2, okay, mole of SO4 to be equal to unknown. Let's say we don't have mole of SO4. Mole of SO4 is unknown. Let's say mole of SO4 is unknown. And also the mole of CH4 is also unknown that we are not given. And also mass of SO4, mass of SO4 is also unknown because we are not given any mass here from this question. And we are given mass of CH4 is 0.8 gram. We are given that. Also, we are also given the molar mass. Molar mass of SO4 to be equal 64 gram per mole. Gram per mole, that is the unit for calculating molar mass. It's just like gram divided by the mole. So also, you're also given the molar mass of CH4. CH4 is 16 gram per mole. So having written this, if you note from the question, we only have the mass of CH4 and the molar mass of CH4. We have the molar mass of SO4, but we don't have the mass of SO4. So since both of them have the same number of molecules, so we are going to calculate for the mole of CH4. So the mole that we are going to get from this plate, we now use it to calculate the mass of SO2, since both of them have the same number of molecules. This is an Avogadro's problem. So now, mole of CH4 will now be equal to mass of CH4 upon molar mass of CH4. So the mass of CH4 is 0.8 upon the molar mass of CH4, which is 16. From the given data that we have here, it is 16. So if we divide it from each other, we are going to have 0.05 mole of CH4. So now, since the two of them has the same number of molecules, they have the same number of molecules, so we can just say that the mole of CH4 can still be equal to mole of SO4, since both of them have the same number of molecules. So if the mole of CH4 is 0.05, so the mole of SO4 is still also going to be 0.05. So now we now go like this: the mole of SO4 will now be equal to the mass of SO4 upon the molar mass. So yeah, and don't forget that from the question we are looking for the mass of SO2. We are calculating for the mass of SO2. Say what mass of SO2? We are solving for the mass of SO2. So here we are going to cross multiply. So the mass of SO4, sorry, be equal to mole multiplied by the molar mass. So the mole is going to be 0.05 multiplied by 64. 64, the molar mass of SO4 is 64. So we are going to copy 64. So it's 0.05 multiplied by 64. So it's going to give us 3.2. So So you're going to give a 3.2 gram of SO4. So that is our final answer. Come to the end of our today's lesson. Please, if you enjoy this lesson, kindly help me to subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you when I upload another video. Thank you.